To achieve this look, you will need a bowl, some 30 developer, some BW2, and a butter knife. Hey bestie, so we're gonna get straight into this video. So to achieve this, you're going to need a bowl. As such, you can find this at the beauty supply. Get the 30 developer. I say 30 because it's beginner friendly. You know, when you're more experienced, you could do 50, go up or whatever. And this BW2, it works really well. You can find this at your local beauty supply. These two products work really good together. I also love to use a butter knife because it just smooths everything out right and it mixes everything up together. You know, you could use whatever different strokes for different folks, but me, I like to use my butter knife. So I just go ahead and start scooping in. There's no right or wrong amount. I determine my scoops based on how big the lace is. So when you're new to this, you want to take your time. Pour in just a little bit of the powder and just like drops of the developer. You don't want to use too much of the developer. The whole goal is for the paste to be really pasty. You don't want your bleach to just slide off of the butter knife. You want it to be able to just hold on there. So this is just me mixing it together to see how it's looking. And as you can tell, like, it's a little too runny, and I'm doing the test with it with the knife and it's coming off of the knife, and that's what we don't want. So I'm going to go back in with some more powder, and a little goes a long way. When mixing the bleach, you don't want any lumps or clumps in it. You want to make sure it's really smooth, so you have to mix it in really well together. So I'm just going to keep mixing everything out to see how it looks. And now I'm going to do a test again where I, you know, tap it or whatever, and as you can see, the product is not coming off, so that lets me know it's ready to be used. So this is just a quick video of me just tapping the product into the lace, and you want to tap it on there. You don't want to smooth it out like it's butter. It's not butter, you know. Doing that, you're gonna make it go through the lace. You want to just tap and rub, okay, tap and rub. I prefer to do this method off of a mannequin with the wig kind of flipped out like such, but off of the mannequin because it's not nothing too hard. But I put it on the mannequin for the video purposes so you guys can see a full look of how everything will look. So you just want to make sure that you completely cover your lace with the bleach and just make sure it's all smoothed out. This video is really old. I found it in my phone. I don't use as much bleach as I did in this video. The amount of bleach doesn't really matter, but I save my bleach now, so I would say use less bleach than what I use. Like when you're spreading it out, you don't need to clog it up like I did. I don't know why the hell I did that. This video is from last summer, so and when you're doing this, guys, I'm a daredevil, so I don't all the time, but wear gloves. Like, if you're not a hairstylist, your hands aren't really used to getting burned and stung. The bleach really stings, so wear gloves when you're doing this process. So after you have the bleach on, you just want to let the product sit until you notice that all of the black knots are invisible, and that's how you know that it's done. It's not a right time because everybody's lace is different. So this is pretty much it, and yeah, thank y'all for tuning into my YouTube video. If y'all want a more detailed video on this entire subject, let me know. Leave a comment below, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
Skirt off on a nigga soon as I get off his face. Nigga don't put wing hand on this frontal. Yes, you can afford to replace this lace. Drop the bag on my purse. Purse. That El Chapo, this that work.